Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to retweet when you want to quote like this tweet, that tweet. So the first step is go to the application of X, and after that, if you want to quote that, retweet that post unquote, you pick here in the option of retweet in the down part of the post, and you pick in quote. And the only thing you need to do is pick here and add comment, and you can put like hi, and you put here in repost, and that's it. So remember, the only thing you need to do is go to the option of the down part of the post, where you got the option of comments, of retweet, likes, and metrics, and the archive. So you pick in retweet, and after that you need to pick here in quote, and you can quote that post and pick in repost, and that's it. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.